This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Kelly May. Welcome home. Country living at its best. New HVAC 2020 living room / dining room / 3 BRDMS plus a bonus room. Nice size laundry room. Narrow and very deep lot to lawns. Creek small basement area. West / deep freezer to convey. 2019 water heater. Vinyl windows. Home in good shape with many upgrades, however being sold as the seller did get a VHDA loan in fall of 2020. Kitchen remodel in 2021. Hammock holder frame with fire pit in middle bar area with custom countertop. Storage room. Partial basement with deep freezer that stays for your convenience. For more information, review the details below.